you?
Well, I'm supposed to be Simba, but I look more like Bonnie fucking Tyler.
What are you doing here?
Well, I mean, look at me. I'm standing in the bushes. I don't know how else to put it, Nala, but I'm actually waiting on a grinder hookup.
Wait till everyone finds out that you've been here all the time. Your mother. What will she think?
Oh, I mean, it's 2019. She's known since before I did.
Oh.
Loads of lions are gay. Anyway, why do you think they call it a pride?
Yeah. What else matters? You're alive. And that means you're the king.
King, queen. I get called lots of things.
But it's like you're back from the dead. You don't know how much this is going to mean to everyone.
I can't make it any clearer, Nala, but you're a very nice person, but I just don't think you're my type. I mean, what do I have to do, burst into a song from a musical?
I've really missed you.
Oh, God, it's going to have to be a song from a musical, isn't it?
Malfunction!
Mr. Poacher Man, I think he's dead.
Nah.
Oh, hang on.
He'll be back.
What's happening?